Is this supposed to be by us?
Ta-da!
Ah, this is the map.
Yeah.
You have to be careful going down this because the cement always. Gracias, bueno, qué vergüenza. Okay, so there's a lot of people right here. Right now we won't have time to interview because our guide is over there already and left us. Come on. Nee, look over there, there's a lot of fishes. That one, that one. This place is really so natural. Okay, go down. Okay, I'll do it. Okay, I'm done with it. That's great. Let's go fishing. Are we going to? Oh my God! I'm playing the archery. Let's go down. Okay, I'll do this.
Y a ver si agarramos uno. Oye, ahí le da uno.
You should not go there. You have this area has 10 meters deep. So let's go and take this area. We just started walking when we left.
Guess what?
Wow! My God, there's a lot! Maybe we can do fishing here?
No.
Huh? Wow, it's a lot of fishes here.
You must say they are very big.
Huh?
They are big.
Yes, they are very big.
I'm using the zoom.
What? Where?
Look where I'm aiming. Hold on. Get back. Get back.
Very big, oh my God.
I
It's kind of scary because there's a lot of giant lizards in here and we just saw one of them. As well as we better be careful because it's a jungle and there's a lot of snakes.
Lions.
Huh? Lions? No, there's... So guys, we want to go over there. It's kind of very far away. And we don't have anything, I'm not sure. This is adventure. This is cream, it's a clean water, you can drink it. Look at that view. Wow.
This one?
Just try to...
Oh my god, I'm not really good, right? Maybe you do this. I think you're better now.
So these are my new friends.
What is the name?
What is the name of this? Roberto Barrios.
Wait. We are work or not? Wait. You were filming.
Ok, quiero preguntar, ¿qué es cuchara?
Se llama chicharra.
Cuchara, ok. ¿Cómo se llama aquí?
Esto
Es
se
el
llama,
barrio, ¿sí?
se llama Roberto Barrios.
Roberto Barrios. Es un vídeo de que aquí, porque acá es muy diferente. Es got confused.
Ah, sí. Sí, es con puras cascadas muy bonitas que son transparentes, de color tipo azul, color otro tipo de color así bien bonito, lo que es como agua azul.
Es como hay que hacer aquí.
A mí me gusta, en lo particular, a mí me gusta mucho aquí porque hay una cascada y en la cascada pues ahí tú puedes bañar muy bien y está todo bajito, no está muy profundo.
Ah, ok. Por acá está bien.
Allá hay otras cascadas también, muy bonitas también, pero a mí lo que me gusta más acá, pero son varias cascadas que hay. Allá pues todo es precioso, realmente lo que es Roberto Barrios.
Ah, ok, bueno, gracias.
No, de nada, hasta luego,
Sí.